So we have vegetables. Since we are a farm, we decided that we will stop buying vegetables from the market. Started planting green vegetables, especially for our local consumption. And in this, we got a few kales and spinach, which we planted just to see. Because it was the dry season, all we did was to plant a few because of the lack of water. And guess what? Within a month, we noticed that they have really done well. There's a possibility we could just be selling the extras because we can't use all this by ourselves. They are indeed looking very beautiful and tasty. Noting that we haven't put any additional effort on it, seems like it's something which we should look into and to undertake in the next coming few months. It can be able to substantiate for our income as we await for the fruits to start taking over. Just a surprise that we had not thought about putting this because of the drought season, but because of what we are seeing, we will plan to put some more or possibly add a few more rows which will be able to bring in some income. We have already seen people coming to ask for them, and being something that we had not planned for, it's income which is coming back into our hands, and we are grateful. If this is the first time you are watching my video or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click the bell button to turn on the notification. Thank you.